Okay, so this is our igloo that we've made with all the snow. So I guess I'll take you inside. Pretty sweet, I must say so. Pretty spacious. Whew. Hard work, but it's a lot of fun. Turned out pretty awesome. My sisters and I put this together. It took us about 3 days, but turned out good. As you can see, we can have a leafy floor. But there you go. Pretty big. But it's awesome. We're pretty proud of it. We could actually have a party inside. So much room. Alrighty. But there you go. Our finished piece.